This right here that I got here is called watercress. It grows in this creek bed. You can eat it raw or make it into greens. It's very high in vitamin K and vitamin D. But yeah, so not much. This right here grows throughout the southern United States and is very easy to eat. Like I say, it grows in creek beds. That's the way it looks. That's the way the stems look on it. And like I say, when the leaves are this tender right here, you can just eat them right